You drive, you make turns. Sometimes, if it feels a bit difficult to turn, especially at low speed, your power steering probably needs your attention. If it's whining, do not ignore it. It has empowered you to drive on journeys and to take different directions, and certainly deserves some love and care. If nothing else, replace the power steering fluid every 30,000 miles or every couple of years so it won't burn out. It's simple to replace the power steering fluid. Find the PS fluid reservoir, remove the cap, with the turkey baster suck out the old fluid as much as you can. Then fill the reservoir with new fluid to the max line. Do not overfill it. Put the cap back and you are good to go. Once you drive the vehicle, the new fluid will mix with the old and the color will be darkened immediately. This is absolutely fine. As long as there is fresh fluid in the system, the power steering will enjoy good lubrication and power. If you like, you can repeat this a few more times and the fluid color will look nicer. But if you do this every 2 to 3 years, it's enough for the longevity of your power steering system. I hope this video is helpful and informative. Consider give us a like and subscribe. If a professor can do it, you can do it. Until the next time, may the Lord bless you and give you peace. 平安。